Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome back to The Layout. You know, it's been 13 years since I posted my first video on YouTube. Back then, in 2009, I had just started the bench work on the old layout, and I'd gotten a new digital camera for Christmas, and I thought, how fun would it be if I strapped this thing to a flat car and pushed it around the layout and got myself an engineer's perspective. YouTube had recently become really popular, and they had made it really easy for the average Joe to be able to upload a video. So I thought, what the heck? Let me upload this video to YouTube and see if anybody looks at it or comments, and sure enough, a few people did. Fast forward to today, and I have a bigger, better layout with some upgraded equipment. And we're going to recreate that first video on the new layout today on Jason's O-Gauge Trains. I recently got this brand new GoPro Hero 9, and this is thanks to my buddy Zach at Joker's Trains. He was able to get this for me for a really great price, so big thank you to Zach. And the quality of this is way better than that little digital camera I had back in 2009. So what I thought I would do for this first GoPro video and the first run around this layout is to traverse the double reverse loop. That means the train's gonna go around the top loop, reverse back on itself, come down to the middle level, take the option to go to the lower level where it will do a second reverse loop, hence double reverse loop. I figured this would give you all the best perspective on how the double reverse loop operates and was a good start to using the GoPro and would be a really fun ride for all of us to enjoy. And if you're wondering what advanced method I used to mount this GoPro, well, I've got this MTH flat car here where I removed one of the trailers, and it's as easy as... ta-da! I didn't even use the double-sided tape. The GoPro is heavy enough and the flat car is stable enough that it's able to go around the whole level and not fall off. So without further ado, let's go ahead and switch to the GoPro footage and enjoy our first trip around my new layout. you all enjoyed that GoPro footage of the train going around the double reverse loop. I intend to use the GoPro for future layout updates and push it around the layout on some of the other loops. And I also plan to use it for some of the live streams in the future, where I can mount it to different areas in the basement and tie it into the live stream and give you all different angles on the layout. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I think it's a little bit better than that first video I posted back in 2009. You let me know what you think. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're closing in on that 10,000 subscriber mark, so I'd really appreciate your support. Feel free to ask questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.